Time to get the
Freshest Oyster
Omelette. Most people have a big discussion about where the freshest oysters and the best ones come from. France or New Zealand. But frankly speaking, no. They come from right here in front of a beach hut. We're gonna go over there and get some fresh oysters with Nat and Jeremiah and a bunch of people. A few oyster facts on the way to the island. Oysters are, interesting enough, cholesterol lowering, which people don't know. They aid you in tissue repair if you have wounds or cuts, and they're actually incredibly good for your metabolism. They heighten it, so they can actually help you lose weight. There is an oyster rock right there. Yeah, so these are fresh little rock oysters. They're not the biggest in the world, but they're very, very tasty. Also, very, very important, check out the quality of the water. It is very clean and pristine, which means oysters are filter feeders, and if you get oysters from some dirty water, that might be very unhealthy for you. These are clean and healthy. Also, the question is, what should you use to get an oyster off a rock? Frankly speaking, we got a broken chisel, we got a hammer, and it's good enough. Let's start working. So right now, Nat is gonna open up his first oyster, chiseling it in through the joint. Go ahead, bud. Go ahead, fearlessly. That's why we use a broken chisel, because it doesn't really matter what happens to it. There you, you're taking it off the rock, that's not a problem. So, it's, oh, there we go. You took it off the rock, but in there it is, yeah. There you go, excellent. And wash it off in the water. Fresco. Ready? Down the hatch. Fresh, huh? You have to turn around the, okay, fine, fair enough. So turn around the, yeah, that's it. Turn around the chisel a bit. And right now you can actually just cut right through it. All right. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Perfect, perfect. Oh yeah, it's moving. Phenomenal. There you go. That's a fresh eater, I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think
that one you eat right now, mate.
Eat it, lah.
That one is a goner.
Boleh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
Just a bit of shell on this part.
Yeah, take the chisel.
Yeah, chisel it off.
Yeah, just take the chisel as a knife and cut it off.
No, actually, you know what? I'll just eat it like this.
That's something else, isn't it? Oh yeah. On top of that, oysters are rich in iron and even help you boost your immune system, so they're a complete winning package. This is the Oyster Gathering team. We've got Jeremiah, Yorick, and Nat. We've got a bunch of fresh oysters. Now it's back to Beach HQ and making the freshest oyster omelette. Nat has got a scientific fact about oysters. What's the fact, Nat?
Quick oyster fact, they're delicious.
With the new totem pole, and it's time to wake the chef. Mike, wake up! We got oysters. You must cook. Yola, don't be like that, la. Chef is obviously asleep, which is not a good sign, but we just raised him from the dead. There he is, Mike the chef. Come on, get chop chop. They're fairly small, so the shucking is a bit complicated, but we're moving ahead. And we're filling up our glass with oysters. So what we're doing is we're literally hammering through the hinges. And we cannot do the proper shucking because they are just too weirdly built. They are very irregular shapen. But like this, we're just going to hammer through and open them up and get the meat out. There you go. Fantastic. Himalaya salt, frying pan, olive oil, the basic ingredients, and some fresh egg. Campsite roast egg. Oh yeah. Oh man, check out the sizzle on that thing. Yeah, cool man. Really sizzling nicely. And now the egg. We got salt in that stuff already?
Yeah.
Excellent.
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 We probably want this thing. Wait, no.
Island, beach, and the freshest omelette ever with oysters inside.
Wow. Oh, 0 piece. Not good.
All right, taste test. Chef Mike. Is it doing it? There you go. Okay, taste test, guys. Brilliant. From the island, in the pan, freshest oyster omelette ever. Jörg doesn't get a cake, he gets a bloody oyster omelette for his birthday. And the Firewalker quiz question is, what is the largest number of oysters opened by one man in 1 minute? Right answer gets the Firewalker t-shirt. And don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and share.